Let's move for first script. I'll draw. Okay, then I'll go for script. Now you just select the icon and let's move for a script. Again, click here, see the result. If you select all the icon and then run the script, and then you can see here. Okay, let's move for the second script, and you need to select one object and then run the script, and you will choose so many options here. Fix, smooth, I move for mirror, and then do it. And this way you can create multiple shapes. Done. Now we'll move for the third script. Now I will select this one, alter. Please select alter, and this way, this way. When I select this one, and we'll go for the script, distribute stack object, and you can select here multiple space. Here is the space, and when I will choose 40 and OK, and then go for your choice, horizontal, vertical, or grid, and I'll choose the horizontal. H. OK, done. This will replace 10 to 40. Okay, if you need some more space, then you can go for 80, 90, 100. Okay, I will select the script again and choose here 80 and OK, and then vertical V. OK, you can see the space. Okay, I will delete this one and some more space, and then I will go for divide and dash, and this way I will go for 1250. Okay, this dash will be done. You can choose multiple shape or symbol or anything. Alter, and here object, expand. Okay, now I go for divide and dash. This way I'll go for 70. Okay, when I choose the it's for 10. Okay, you'll see the result. You can choose multiple size, whatever you want. This one, click here. Okay, then I'll go for factorize, and here you can choose multiple option, 50, 0, 10, 80 by default, and you can choose anything, then OK. This way you can create multiple design, then click yes, and it's done. This is the script number 5, all done. Thank you so much for your important time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.